Discover the book of Genesis like never before with Rabbi Akwati. With over 120 lectures covering each chapter and verse, you'll dive deep into the text and gain a new understanding of this biblical masterpiece. But what sets us apart is our unique lecture setting. You will experience the interactions between the rabbi and his audience as they discuss, debate, and explore the text together. You'll hear protests, support, arguments, concerns, and difficulties, all in real time. By walking in the shoes of the characters, you'll gain insights into their struggles and triumphs that will deepen your appreciation for this incredible book. And with lectures ranging from 60 to 90 minutes long, you can watch at your own pace, whether it's one lecture a day or binging all 120 in one weekend. So, come join us on this journey through Genesis. Enroll now and experience this timeless text in a whole new way. To enroll, simply follow the link provided in the description box.